What's up, guys? I am here with my sidekick today. Say hey, what's up?
Hi, hey, what's up?
We're gonna go over with you guys how we went from strider to rider. Let's get into it. So we started Elijah on his bike a couple of years ago. He's 4 years old now. He's a big boy, so he's already outgrown this strider. Cool thing with strider is it's a natural way for them to learn how to balance. But it's time for the next step. All right, as you guys can see, this guy is absolutely killing it at the strider. He can coast really well. He's using his feet to stop and everything, but we want to teach him how to use brakes. We want to teach him how to pedal. And while he's doing all that, we want to teach him how to balance a bigger bike. I wanted this to be a really fun day for Elijah, so even if we didn't get him pedaling and balancing and braking all in one day, totally fine. Let's just have fun and let him enjoy this. But right off, it's really easy to tell. The first thing he's having trouble with was the pedals. How do you make these things turn? So let's get inside the garage and show you guys what we did to fix that problem. All right, Elijah's got the camera, so I'm gonna show you guys. We need something to drill some holes into some 2x4s. So you're gonna want a 2x4, some screws, and then you're gonna want a platform to screw this all down onto. I'm gonna show you guys what we're gonna do with that. Here we go. I'm basically going to turn Elijah's new pedal bike into a spinner so that he can just sit there and just spin the wheels and practice his pedaling. Every bike is different, so I can't really give you measurements, but I can just kind of show you an overall idea of how this goes together. 2x4s, drill some holes, put it together, throw the bike on, go for it. All right, so here we go. This is essentially just going to be a stand. Let's see if we can zoom out a little bit. Yep, there we go. A stand for his bike, screwed right into the bottom, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we can screw that right to the plywood, put his pedal bike on there, and he can practice pedaling because that's going to be kind of the hard part first. Essentially how the bike is going to rest is the axle bolts that hold the tire on are going to rest in these little cups that I drilled inside the 2x4s. Again, every bike is different, so figure out what measurements work best for your kid's bike. And then this top piece slides right over. Be sure to throw a screw into it so that it doesn't fall apart. So this is what we got here. Essentially, just made a little bike stand. So the holes that I drilled in these pieces of wood go right over the bolts that go through the hub. And then this is off the ground about an inch or so. And so he'll be able to pedal. Practice his pedaling. All right. So one thing that we found when he was pedaling, a lot of times he would go down, he'd push down with his leg, and he'd go like this, and then he'd get stalled out and would kind of go backwards, which would engage the brake. And so to keep him in a continuous going in a circle motion, it was kind of hard to do on the trainer. So what we did is we just got a can, and you crush the can over the back tire. Yep, aluminum can. Crush over the back tire, and that puts a little bit of tension on the tire and also gives a good buzz, so he knows when he's not pedaling anymore. So give that a try, bud. Come on. Give it a try.
And that's how it sounds like.
Yeah, go ahead. Yep, go ahead. 1, 2, 3. Pedal, 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 pedal. Yeah! So essentially what that's going to do is it's going to teach him how to pedal hard. It's going to teach him how to keep the buzz going. And he loves the buzzing noise, and so that's going to just kind of be that motivating factor to kind of keep him going. So the can is a huge plus for us. It really helps. Let's get out there and try him just riding down the road, see how he does. Okay. All right. Let's get you out. This is what we're going to do. Okay, we're going to have you walk your bike and coast it just like a strider. Okay, do you remember how to coast with a strider? You walk really fast and you coast with like your strider. You remember how to do that with your strider? You're gonna do that, but we're gonna do it with this bike. And then you're gonna pedal just like we practiced, okay? Okay? High five? Let's try it. Okay, walk as fast as you can, coast and then pedal. 1, 2, 3, go! Fast, 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 fast. Coast, pedal, 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 pedal. Look up, head up, look where you're going. Look where you're going. Pedal, 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 pedal. That was wild. 2, 3, go. Walk your bike fast, coast. All right, now put your feet on the pedals and go. Pedal, 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 pedal. There it is, there it is, there it is, there it is.
Got
Good
juice,
job.
got gas, I'ma move fast. New shoes, new tracks, like who's that? I'm new, come back, better than last. Yeah, it's a new me. Got juice, got gas, I'ma move fast. New shoes, new tracks, like who's that? I'm new, come back, better than last. Yeah, it's a new me. Got juice, got gas, I'ma move fast. New shoes, new tracks, like who's that? I'm new, come back, better than last.
Go.
If this was helpful, like and subscribe.
That's right. Way to go, Bud. Nux?
High five.
Oh, I'm okay. Sorry. I didn't know high five was cooler. Maintenance TV.
Just my life.
That's right. High five. You got this, Bud.